Learning English is not just about speaking a new language, but about shaping the future of an entire nation.
I'm learning this language because I believe that I will be a big man in the future, and I should travel and a lot.
Here in Burkina Faso, one institute is doing exactly that. In Burkina Faso, the English Institute has become more than just a school. It's a hub for knowledge, leadership, and opportunity. Young people gather here not only to improve their English but to prepare themselves for a better future.
In the business because my
The line of business or what?
yes.
It helps in your business.
Through English, students are gaining access to the global conversations, international business, and leadership platforms. They are learning to express their ideas with confidence, to dream bigger, and to compete on a global stage.
So, what is your name and why are you learning English?
Okay. My name is Durrah Institute. I'm from Bukina Faso, precisely from Bukina, and I'm 16 years old. I'm learning English because I like this language, and I I'm learning this language because I I think that no, I believe that I will be a big man in the future, and I should travel and a lot around the world, and I have to understand English to do business and also a lot of things.
All right, that's
Yes.
good. Are your classes very? Do you think the classes that you've been taking are they well explanatory? Do you understand more, and do you think it's giving you the knowledge that you want to get?
Yes. During the class for in this morning, I haven't many difficulties. Sorry. Uh, I understand what the professor is saying.
Mm.
Yes, and I haven't any difficulties.
So, do you think this program that you're taking right now, do you think is helping to build a better youth for the future of Burkina Faso?
I haven't understood.
Okay, do you think learning this English that you're learning, this school that you come to, this institute, do you think they are helping you as a youth of Burkina Faso build a better future?
Yes, because through the program of learning English here, for example, in this class, we aren't ashamed to speak. Everybody is free to explain, to express
Themselves.
themselves, and I think it's good. It's best. No, sorry. Um, I think it's a good thing for us to. It can permit us to improve our English in and do many things in the future.
Yeah.
Many good things in the future.
All right. So, as a Burkina,
Yes.
what can you tell others that don't speak English?
To
What can you
encourage them to learn
learn
English.
English?
So what I have to say, it's English is the language of business. It's the language of uh,
English is a universal language.
yes, English is a universal language which offer many opportunities.
Yeah.
If you understand well or good English, if you speak well English, you have many opportunities which are offered to you.
How long have you been studying English? Can you help me answer?
It was a while.
How long did you start learning?
Quand est-ce que tu as commencé à apprendre l'anglais?
I student English last month. Last month.
Last month, actually.
She started learning English last month.
And we're already, I think I need to learn French too. So, you understand already? Do you understand more or you can speak?
Est-ce que les 1 mois que tu as fait là, tu comprends mieux l'anglais, ou tu peux mieux parler? Tu comprends mieux?
Oui.
She understands more,
But
but the speaking is not.
it's not so good.
Yes.
Okay. So, what can you tell us about your school? Like,
My Durrah Institute. Durrah Institute is beautiful.
What makes this institute so special is its conducive environment. The classrooms are lively, the teachers are passionate, and learning experience is interactive. Students don't just sit and listen. They learn together, share ideas, and grow as a community.
Yes.
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 I know. What is it?
Good.
What is it? I go to bed. I go to bed. It's similar to go to bed.
No.
Hina.
what's this?
Strategy.
Strategy. Okay. And purpose. Okay. Is it not the same thing as the number one? Yes. Is it not the same thing as the number one? It's the same thing.
Yes.
But that's not yeah.
It's the same thing.
It's just in the but it's the same thing. But you can talk on it.
In networking, when people finish working, anyone returning our life. When working finish.
Huh? Who wants to I'm not getting it. Come again. Repeat.
In network,
Yeah.
when anyone is finish
Okay, finish.
yes, our network, anyone returning our life.
Do you understand?
Motivation.
Does anybody want to help? Who wants to help? If you are getting what she's saying and you want to explain better, do you know what she's saying? Do you get it? Make us understand. They don't understand you. Your group doesn't understand you. Do it again. We'll get it. You get it.
And friendship is a personal relation.
Okay.
Yes. In friendship, anyone now, one person. In he can stay.
Okay, you can choose to keep doing that thing with the person in friendship. How about networking?
When he now when he has a working so when working
Finish. Okay.
anyone will do
Choose to leave. Do you get it now? Alright. Do we get or do I need to speak on it? You've gotten it. Alright, thank you. The next person. Madam. The last one.
Friendship is a close personal relationship based on mutual affection, trust, and support.
Okay. Explain.
For anyone out there who wants to learn English but doesn't know how to start, this is your chance. Step into an environment where learning is exciting, supportive, and filled with opportunities. English is not just a language, it is a bridge to the world. The English Institute in Burkina Faso is more than a place of learning. It is a place of transformation, a place where the future leaders of tomorrow are being shaped today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. Until next time, bye.
Welcome in Burkina Faso. I invited you to come in Burkina Faso and discover our culture. We have many things, many good things, and so I urge you to come and see by yourself.
Because Burkina Faso is free.
It's a free. It's an amazing country with many resources. So come and see.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.